We can actually use some other methods as well, including the area model, to work out division. So let's say we've got 96 divided by 8. How many groups of 8 can we make with 96? Let's start counting up by 8. 8, 16, 24. Well, hang on, I'm going to go to 80 because I know that 8 tens are 80, and that's smaller than 96. So the fact that 10 groups of 8 are 80 means I've actually nearly found out how many groups of 8 I need. I don't have to add on much more. I've got 96 and I've already counted up to 80, so 16 left. How many groups of 8 are in 16? Well, have a look on my little numbers to the left. That's the second number. So 2 groups of 8 make 16. So all of a sudden, I've actually thought of it as 2 problems. 10 groups of 8 made 80 and 2 groups of 8 made 16. But altogether, 12 groups of 8 would make 96. So 96 divided by 8 equals 12. Why don't we try the same problem, and we'll still split 96, but this time we'll use the area method so that you can see it's the same as what we've just done, and that way you might find one way makes more sense to you. Let's split our rectangle, although before we do, remember if the area of the rectangle is 96, it means that 8 multiplied by something is 96. And that's the answer to 96 divided by 8. Because we can go backwards with division, like multiplication would be 8 multiplied by the length equals 96. We're simply working backwards. So instead of 96, let's break our rectangle into 2 rectangles whose area is 80 and 16. Why did I choose 80? Because 8 tens are 80. So I've instantly got the length of that side. And my other rectangle has an area of 16, and 8 twos are 16, so I've worked out that 8 times 12 is 96, because 10 plus 2 has to be the total length. 10 times 8 is 80, the first rectangle's area, and 2 times 8 is 16, the area of the second rectangle. So altogether, 12 times 8 gives me 96. So I've solved it just like I did before. Remember we had 10 groups of 8 was 80, 2 groups of 8 was 16, which told us that we had 12 groups of 8 to make 96. Same problem, just 2 different ways.